All right, so strap yourselves in because today we are diving headfirst into a crypto market explosion. I mean, can you imagine waking up, checking your portfolio, and it's just green, green, green everywhere?
That's what's happening for a lot of people right now. A
Yeah.
lot of folks are seeing those gains, and we're going to break down a recent market report that is absolutely buzzing with excitement, covering bold predictions, surprising partnerships, and even, believe it or not, a labor union that is embracing Bitcoin.
It is pretty wild out there.
It is.
And what's so interesting about this particular, boom, is that this isn't just some, random spike.
Right.
Right?
Exactly. What's fascinating here is there's a confluence of factors driving this surge, and the report highlights some key indicators that suggest this momentum, might actually have some staying power.
So let's talk numbers because this report kicks off with some pretty eye-popping numbers.
Yeah.
We're talking a 7% surge in the global crypto market cap in just 24 hours,
Wow.
hitting wait for it, a staggering $3.56 trillion.
Yeah, it's a big number.
It's a big, big number. Bitcoin is back above $100,000. Ethereum is on a tear, and even XRP is seeing a resurgence. But, I mean, that's just the tip of the iceberg, right?
Yeah, exactly. The report points to a significant increase in trading volume, more than double what we were seeing previously.
Oh, wow.
So this tells us that there's a renewed sense of confidence among investors.
Okay.
And it's not just hype driving this rally.
So it's not just a fleeting sugar rush. There's some real substance behind this market surge. But, I mean, what's got everyone so fired up? This report dives into some fascinating specifics, starting with, well, a little-known altcoin that is kind of stealing the show, Solana Swap, or SOS.
Yeah, Solana Swap is definitely the breakout star, surging over 30% in just a day. Now, what's fascinating here is that SOS isn't just some meme coin riding a wave of speculation. This surge is likely connected to some recent developments in the Solana ecosystem, particularly around the growing popularity of decentralized exchanges built on Solana.
So this isn't just a random pump and dump. There's a fundamental reason for this surge in SOS. It seems like the altcoin space is really heating up. The report also spends some time on the DeFi space, and particularly on the growing competition in the Oracle market.
Yeah.
I know oracles are key to decentralized finance, but for those of us who maybe aren't developers, can you break down why this competition is such a big deal?
Sure. Think of oracles as bridges between the real world and the blockchain. They feed real-world data like asset prices, weather information, even sports scores into decentralized applications. Now, for DeFi to truly thrive, we need these oracles to be secure, reliable, and decentralized. And that's where this competition comes in. New players like Redstone are emerging with innovative solutions, challenging established giants like Chainlink.
Okay, so it's not just about which oracle provides data. It's about ensuring that data is trustworthy and tamper-proof. This competition sounds like it could be a game changer for the entire DeFi ecosystem. But while the altcoin space is buzzing, the big players aren't sitting on the sidelines either. The report highlights some significant moves from heavy hitters like Circle and Binance.
Absolutely. The report details how Circle and Binance are joining forces to expand the global reach of USDC, one of the leading stablecoins. This partnership has the potential to significantly boost the accessibility and adoption of stablecoins, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional financial services.
It's true, stablecoins are such an important bridge between the traditional financial world and the crypto world. This partnership seems like it could be a major step towards mainstream adoption. And speaking of mainstream acceptance, the report also predicts that MicroStrategy, a company that's gone all in on Bitcoin, could soon join the Nasdaq 100.
That's right. And if that prediction comes to fruition, it would send a powerful signal to institutional investors that crypto-linked equities are here to stay.
Yeah.
It could open the floodgates for other crypto companies to go public, further legitimizing the industry. But there's another story in this report that I found particularly intriguing.
Let me guess. The Kenyan Fire Brigades Association adopting Bitcoin.
You got it.
I have to admit, that one caught my eye too. It's not every day you see firefighters embracing cryptocurrency.
It speaks to Bitcoin's growing recognition as a potential store of value, especially in regions facing economic volatility or limited access to traditional banking. The Fire Brigades Association cited the need for a secure and transparent way to manage their funds, and they believe Bitcoin provides that solution.
Okay, so we've got a market on fire, groundbreaking partnerships, and firefighters venturing into the world of Bitcoin. This report is a whirlwind of excitement. But it's not just about what's happening right now. It also offers some, I think, tantalizing glimpses into the future.
So are you ready to look into that crystal ball and see what the future holds for crypto?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right, well, let's start with Coinshares, which is a leading digital asset investment firm, and they're predicting a boom in Bitcoin yield solutions by 2025.
Bitcoin yield solutions.
Yeah.
I have to admit, that sounds a little bit like futuristic financial wizardry to me.
Right.
What exactly does that entail?
It's actually a pretty straightforward concept.
Okay.
It's about finding ways to make your Bitcoin holdings generate more Bitcoin,
Okay.
essentially putting your Bitcoin to work for you.
Okay.
Think of it like earning interest on your savings account, but instead of dollars, you're earning more Bitcoin. Coinshares believes that institutions, especially, will start catching on to this trend, recognizing Bitcoin's potential not just as a store of value, but also as a source of passive income.
So it's like having your Bitcoin earn its keep while you sleep.
Exactly.
I'm starting to see why Coinshares is excited about this. But the report didn't stop there, right?
No, it didn't.
It also mentioned something about a surge in crypto IPOs.
Absolutely. Bitwise, another prominent crypto investment firm, is forecasting a wave of crypto companies going public in 2025. They even name-dropped some potential IPO candidates, including major players like Kraken and Circle.
Wow, that would be a huge step for the industry.
Absolutely.
Imagine buying shares of your favorite crypto exchange on the stock market. It would be like the ultimate validation of crypto's legitimacy in the eyes of, like, the mainstream financial world.
It would.
But what about the star of the show, Bitcoin itself?
Okay.
Any bold predictions for its price in 2025?
Bitwise certainly doesn't shy away from bold predictions.
Okay.
They're forecasting Bitcoin to reach a jaw-dropping $500,000 by 2025.
Okay, now we're talking life-changing gains.
Right.
But before we all start planning our early retirements, I think it's important to remember that the crypto market is known for its volatility.
Yes.
Those predictions, while exciting, come with a healthy dose of uncertainty, right?
You're absolutely right. It's crucial to remember that the crypto market is inherently volatile. These predictions, while based on analysis and trends, are still speculative. Things can change quickly, and there are always risks involved.
It's a roller coaster ride, that's for sure. But this report, even with its cautious disclaimers, paints a pretty optimistic picture for the future of crypto.
Yes.
Seems like there's a lot to be excited about, from innovative financial solutions to wider mainstream acceptance.
I'd agree. This report highlights the incredible potential of the crypto space. But as we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, it's important to stay informed, do your own research, and make well-considered decisions.
Sound advice. Okay, deep divers.
Huh.
We've explored market on fire, uncovered surprising partnerships and adoption stories, and even peered into the crystal ball to glimpse the potential future of crypto. Now, in the final part of our deep dive, I want to turn our attention to you, our listeners. So this report paints a pretty exciting picture of the crypto landscape, but it also begs the question, what role will you play in all of this? Will you be a spectator watching from the sidelines or an active participant shaping the future of finance?
You know, it's a question worth pondering. The future of crypto is literally being written right now, and it's fascinating to see how things are unfolding. The technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and new use cases are emerging all the time. I mean, we're seeing everything from decentralized finance to NFTs to the metaverse taking shape.
Yeah.
And it's anyone's guess what the next big innovation will be.
It's mind-boggling to think about how much the crypto world has already changed, and we're really just at the beginning. I mean, who could have predicted Kenyan firefighters adopting Bitcoin a few years ago?
Exactly.
Right.
And that's what makes the space so dynamic and engaging.
Yeah.
The possibilities seem limitless. Maybe we'll see Bitcoin hit $1 million.
Yeah.
Or perhaps a new technology will emerge and disrupt everything we thought we knew.
Right.
The only certainty is that things will continue to evolve in unexpected ways.
It's both exhilarating and a little bit daunting. Right?
Absolutely.
There's so much potential, but also inherent risk and uncertainty.
That's why it's more important than ever to stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, make informed decisions. Don't let the fear of missing out or the hype of the moment cloud your judgment.
Right.
Take the time to understand the underlying technology, the potential risks, and the long-term implications of your choices.
So we've thrown a lot of information your way today, deep divers, from soaring market caps to DeFi oracles and predictions of Bitcoin hitting astronomical heights. But the takeaway here is simple. The crypto world is dynamic, innovative and full of opportunities, but it's also a space that demands careful consideration and a commitment to continuous learning.
Yeah, whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting to dip your toes into this exciting world, remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay engaged, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one making headlines in the next crypto market report.
That's a wrap for this deep dive, everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the heart of the crypto boom. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto.